What's up guys, JD here. Hope you're doing well today. We're going to put some upgrade parts onto my MMP 2.0. Let's jump into it. All right, so the one thing that we're going to have to do is we will have to remove the dot and optics plate because I do have this extractor that is a machine part that we're going to be using to replace the MIM part. And then after that, we'll do some other goodies here that are going to be relatively easy to do. We have mag plate and we have base plates for the actual magazines. As you can see, nothing in the gun, no magazine for YouTube's sake there. My least favorite thing to do here is to take a centered red dot or sighted in red dot and remove it. That felt like it was extremely torqued down, but I think we're good. I think it was 13 inch-pound when I did this originally. Okay. Keep those together, set the red dot to the side. So far, I am really enjoying the DPP titanium plate. It has worked really well, holding up very nicely. And we're going to go ahead and remove the slide. You don't have to take the barrel off. I'm just doing this for simplicity. I just cleaned it, lubed it up. So I'm just going to get it out of the way. And then for this one here, all right, so 1/16 pin, and you just need something to raise the slide up off of the ground with. And then press your spring down and slowly release the pin out. And you can see the MIM internal part. This is a good opportunity while you have it apart to clean it. Not that old extractor, but I am cleaning an old extractor for storage. And we'll go ahead and pull the spring out. I'm just going to clean in here really good while I'm in here. And this is a no oil zone, because all the oil is going to do is dirty everything up anyway. I'll leave these links down below. They're just circuit board cleaning Q-tips. They're really easy. They're really nice to get down into this part of the gun. And honestly, a regular Q-tip might do you a little bit better. I just like these because they don't lint up like a Q-tip does. Something. All right, so pretty clean. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, we're gonna reinstall the spring. Grab the ejector plate. Extractor. It's an ejector. The extractor, the magnets are grabbing the slide. All right, we'll go ahead and push that in. We will magnetize the pin here to get it to start to go in. Trying to get it to start to go in. Actually, I'll take that back. We're going to reinsert the pin there to hold it in place. All right, with it that far in, it should hold it in place to get it the rest of the way in now. All right, we are flush in there. That's it for the extractor pin. Now we get to move on to the other goodies. All right, looks good. All right, let's go ahead and start with the I think it's SLR, is that right? SLR Works Magwell. Nice little Magwell. Gives a little bit of a flare. It's not dramatic, but it is a nice little increase there for sure. We'll want to keep the factory tool handy there. And it looks like it takes a Phillips head. So let me grab. All right, let's go ahead and get the Magwell installed. All right. You know what I forgot to check? I forgot to check to see what type of tool this requires. I have Torx, Phillips, and flathead out here. But this looks like it is potentially a hex bit based off of the look of this. Yep. So let me get that installed. And I guess if you like the, it's a very modest Magwell. I was expecting it to actually be a little bit bigger, honestly. And it actually kind of impedes my pinky. I was expecting it to be a little bit longer. I don't think that is going to work for me, unfortunately. You'd have to have smaller hands to get in there. I'm actually landing on the Magwell now. Yeah, I definitely thought that was a little bit longer. So I'm going to really quick check to see. It looks good, but I'm going to check really quick to see if they have a longer size.